The question is, adding salt and sugar to food substances help in preserving them for a longer durations. It is because excess salt and water, they have given four options: cause rupturing of microbial cells, cause change in the shape of microbial cells, remove water from food, plasmolyze the microbial cells. So this is the question that has appeared in CTET June 2011, and the correct answer is it plasmolyze the microbial cells. Option 4, plasmolyze the microbial cells. Which of the following deficiencies in food causes night blindness? This question appeared in Rajasthan TET in February 2011, and the options they have given are protein, fats, vitamin A, vitamin D. Means the deficiency of which of the following causes night blindness. That's the way of asking the question in different format. So which deficiency? The answer is the deficiency of vitamin A. Okay, the deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Metal which is a constituent of hemoglobin is, or else hemoglobin contain which metal? So which metal is a constituent of hemoglobin? So they have given four options: copper, zinc, aluminium and iron. The correct answer is option 4, iron. Fe. Hemoglobin contain Fe. Fe is the symbol of iron. This question has appeared in Punjab TET in 2011. The minerals that are required in the right amount for proper functioning of muscles are iron and iodine, iron and calcium, sodium and potassium, iodine and fluorine. This question has appeared in CTET January 2015. Which minerals are required in the right amount for proper functioning of muscles? Iron and iodine, iron and calcium, sodium and potassium, iodine and fluorine. The correct answer is option 3, sodium and potassium, Na and K. The dietary fibers are made up of proteins, also called roughage, made up of protein and cellulose, made up of collagen fibers. They have given four options. They are asking about dietary fibers. Option 1, made up of proteins. Option 2, also called roughage. Option 3, made up of protein and cellulose. Option 4, made up of collagen fibers. This question is appeared in CTET January 2012, and the correct answer is option 2, also called roughage. The dietary fibers are also called roughage. Washing the rice many times using a large amount of water before cooking leads to loss of vitamin E, loss of surface protein, loss of vitamin B, loss of water soluble carbohydrates. Here they are asking what is the effect of washing rice many times by using large amount of water before cooking. We used to wash the rice at least 2 times by using water. So what is the effect of that washing? That leads to loss of vitamin E, or loss of surface protein, or loss of vitamin B, or loss of water soluble carbohydrates. This question appeared in CTET May 2012. For this question, the right answer is option 3, loss of vitamin B. Loss of vitamin B. Soluble vitamin pair in the water is B and C, A and B, A and E, D and K. Soluble vitamin pair. We have to identify out of these four pairs which pair is soluble in water. This question has appeared in UPTET in September 2013. For this question, the correct answer is option A, vitamin B and C. Okay. This pair is soluble in the water. A person is suffering from a disease named goiter. Which of the following glands of the person is not functioning properly? They have given the name of a disease. The name of the disease is goiter. Which of the following glands of the person is not functioning properly? Means if a person is suffering from goiter, then which gland is not going to function properly? That was their question. They have given four glands: adrenal gland, pancreas, pituitary gland, thyroid gland. This question is appeared in CTET September 2014. For this question, the answer is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland. Okay. So if the person is suffering from goiter, then the thyroid gland is not going to function properly. Vitamin containing metal atom is. They have given four vitamins. We have to identify which vitamin contain metal atom. Vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin A. This question is appeared in HTET, Haryana TET in February 2014, and for this question the right answer is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, option 3. So vitamin B12 contain metal atom. Which vitamin protects our eyes and skin from infection? The question was appeared in HTET in February 2014. The options for this question: vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin A and vitamin D. Which vitamin out of these four vitamins, which vitamin protects our eyes and skin from infection? The right answer is vitamin A. Vitamin A protects our eyes and skin from infection. Given below are some food items: boiled and mashed potato, boiled and charred rice, a slice of bread, sugar solution, next coconut oil. They have given 5 food items: boiled and mashed potato, boiled and charred rice, a slice of bread, sugar solution, coconut oil. The question is, which of the above will give blue-black color when tested with iodine solution? Means we have to take the sample of the above mentioned food item samples, and we have to test it with iodine solution. Then we have to identify out of these food items which food items are going to give us blue-black color and what it is going to indicate that particular color. So here they have given the options: 1, 2 and 3, 1, 3 and 5, 1 and 3, 4, fourth option 2 and 4. The correct answer is option 3, 1 and 3. So option 1 boiled and mashed potato, option 3 and third food item is a slice of bread. Both are going to give blue black color when tested with iodine solution. That iodine test, by using the iodine we are going to do the test for starch. Okay, this change in color will give us confirmation that starch is present in boiled and mashed potato and a slice of. Radhika's gums are often bleeding and her wounds were taking longer time to heal. Here they are giving some symptoms. Radhika's gums are often bleeding and her wounds were taking longer time to heal. Her diet could be deficient in which vitamin? Four options they have given: vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin D and vitamin A. The right answer is vitamin C. Means the deficiency of vitamin C leads to bleeding gums. Okay? So the bleeding will take place in gums and it will take more time, longer duration, longer time to heal. So the deficiency will cause this disease. Deficiency of vitamin C leads to these symptoms. This question was appeared in CTET May 2016. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using codes given below the lists. They have given as list 1 and list 2. In list 1 we can see the vitamins. In list 2 we can see the chemical names of those vitamins. We have to match the vitamin with the respective chemical names. In list 1 we can see vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin A, vitamin C. In list 2 we can see ascorbic acid, riboflavin, thiamine, retinol. For this they have given 4 codes. For this one the correct answer is the option 2, that is for A, third option, vitamin B1. Third option means thiamine. The chemical name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. Next for B, vitamin B2, the chemical name is riboflavin. Next for C, vitamin A, the chemical name is option 4, that is retinol. Next D, vitamin C, chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. This question was appeared in HTET June 2013. So match the following with two list 1 with list 2. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and please share this video with your friends and other aspirants of TET examination, and thank you for watching this video.